Are you looking to get the best results for your business? Hi. My name is Mike, and I am a Sabio.com member. If you sell digital or physical products of any kind, then today is your lucky day because I have one of the world's fastest growing and most powerful online marketing platforms that you can access right now for free. Yes, for free. This suite of apps is the absolute best of the best in the entire online industry right now. And if you don't use them for your business, you are frankly losing out and will quickly fall behind your competitors. This awesome platform gives access for free to the most powerful online marketing tools you could ever want. Now I know you're asking, what's this fantastic platform called? Well, it's called GrooveFunnels. Take a look today. It is an all-in-one online marketing platform. For free access, go to GrooveSellfunnel.com to start now. Your business won't regret it.